to Rose Pocket Bread Sandwich Production Line. Guangdong Yiren Technology lets you witness the intelligent production of every high-quality pocket bread. This production line integrates precise slicing, quantitative filling, pressing, and forming, as well as arranging and packaging, providing baking enterprises with a one-stop solution characterized by stable efficiency, cleanliness, and hygiene. Cooled bread is fed into a high-speed automatic slicer with servo control. The smooth, sharp blades ensure neat and even cuts without edge crushing or crumbs, maintaining consistent shape for each slice and laying a solid foundation for subsequent filling and forming. After slicing, the bread is automatically conveyed to the quantitative bread filling machine via conveyor machine. Yiren's high-precision filling system adopts dual pump control with instant start and stop. It evenly injects cream, jam, chocolate, and other fillings without leakage or overflow. Once filled, the bread enters the pocket pressing and forming machine. The mold simulates manual pressing for fast setting and tight sealing, with smooth and attractive edges and plumps. Well-shaped finished products. It easily produces various styles pocket shapes to meet diverse market demands. Formed products enter the automatic ranging line for orderly sorting and constant speed conveying to ensure every products proceed to packaging. Minimal manual contact throughout the process ensures higher hygiene and safety. Finally, products go through the packaging machine, completing accurate bagging and date coding in one smooth process. The tight, flat seals deliver excellent airtightness to effectively extend shelf life. Adapting to high-speed production, the capacity of the whole line reaches 4,800 to 6,000 pieces per hour. With stable, reliable performance and easy operation and maintenance. With mature technology and meticulous manufacturing, Yiren Technology helps customers improve quality, increase efficiency, and reduce costs, creating reliable bread products. Choose Yiren. Choose stability and professionalism.